Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna just show you the items I'm gonna be using for my protein treatment. So here I am just cracking 2 eggs. That could be cold, it could be room temperature, it doesn't matter. Then I have an old avocado. This probably needs to be thrown in the trash, but I say, you know what, I'm gonna put it in my protein treatment. So what I end up doing is taking it and just taking a fork and just kind of sort of mushing it, and see it's old because it's turning brown on the inside, and just putting it in my bowl. I know this isn't like the perfect video, but I was just trying my best to film this while holding the camera at the same time. So sorry if it's like not put together well. So I'm just gonna take the avocado, the other half of the avocado. Either use the whole avocado. You can use half. You do what you want. It's your head. Once that's in there, then I'm gonna try to give it a quick mix or mush, and then I realize that doesn't matter anyway. Because I still have other ingredients to add to this. So after this, I'm gonna go ahead and take some more ingredients, which will be some coconut oil. I got the unrefined coconut oil, but you can use whatever kind you got. But this is optional. You use what you want. You don't have to use it. It doesn't matter. I'm doing 1 tablespoon, another tablespoon, and I think I did 3 total. 3 tablespoons total. None of these measurements are like from the internet. This is just something I just made up in my head. So you pick whatever and however much you want. This is just some mayonnaise. You can use mayo. Do what you want. It's your hair. This is just what I use in my house. So I'm gonna do 4 tablespoons of the mayo. So that's 1. Here go tablespoon number 2. There go tablespoon number 3. And then tablespoon number 4. Now again, you use what you want in your house. Now I'm gonna put some extra virgin olive oil in my in my bowl. This olive oil is kind of sort of old, so I said, well, let me go ahead and use some of this too, because I really haven't been using it either. So I went and poured that in my bowl as well. I just counted to 10 in my head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just like that. And then that's what I got. Then I got a whisk. And I said, okay, let me whisk it. But then when I started whisking it, I realized this is not going to combine like I wanted to. As you can see, it's still kind of clumpy and lumpy, and it's just not looking good. So what I ended up doing was stopping what I was doing, and then can you see like it's still clumpy? It ain't gonna work. So what I ended up doing is putting it in the blender. I put it in this blender or food processor. You use whatever you got at home. This is what I got. I don't got a blender. I got a food processor. So I put it in the food processor, and once it processed, then it came out all nice and smooth. You see? Very good, very good, very good. And then look at that texture. Like that's kind of sort of what you want, like smooth, not nothing too crazy. You could have put other stuff in there, but I didn't. But this is what I got. Thanks for watching, guys.